This has been the biggest shift.
This program showed me that I'll still be a good meditator and still be able to teach meditation to a group of people who are not affiliated religiously or spiritually even, and that it's just as effective.
It was perfect content, exactly what I needed, exactly what I was looking for.
It ended up being exactly what I needed, essentially. Like, I was really looking for more confidence, more leadership abilities, and feeling like I had like a structure and framework and the right language to talk to people about this stuff in a much more like mainstream accessible way.
100% I feel like so happy that I chose this program, and it's the best. It's exactly what I needed.
I have the experience now to be able to hold space virtually.
Yes, I have plenty of knowledge to take anyone through.
I can speak about things from an educated place. I was supposed to do this. I'm right where I'm supposed to be.
Through this program, I've really locked down my second of the day practice, which has made all the difference for me. You can't leave this class and feel like you two are not totally rooting for us to be successful.
I'm an RYT 500, so I went through 500 hours of yoga teacher training and did not get confidence. And being with you guys in person for 1 week gave me so much more confidence than I ever could have expected.
The science behind it just really sold me.
Doing this course has shifted so much chronic self-doubt.
This has taught me to take that pause before I react.
The language and the timing and the comfort level of speaking has just, it's other level now. And that's huge for me, because I was so uncomfortable with speaking with groups.
I now have the confidence to share this and to put myself out there.
Or even tomorrow I can go out and teach. I have that total confidence.
Thank you, because I never found such a supportive group.
The love and support, it's amazing.
It's been amazing to be on this journey with all of you.
I'm so happy I joined this program.